Android phones come with some ad tracking features enabled by default. Because of this, your use pattern are created. Today I will show you how to control this in just a few clicks. Why this matters today? Today we use our phones for everything. Banking apps, UPI payments, online shoppings, office emails, personal photos. At the same time, many apps and ad systems analyzed how we are our device. The problem is most users don't even realize that some of those features are turned on by default. The good news is Android give you the options to control your privacy. You just need to know where the settings are. Now let's go to the settings. Open your phone and follow the step. Go to settings, tap on Google's, then select all services. Go to privacy and security. Now tap on ads. This section is the main control center for ad privacy on Android. Here you will see an option called personalized using shared data. This feature allows limited data sharing between Google's app to create a more personalized experience. For example, Maps understand your travel patterns, Gmail analyzed email interaction behavior, Keep Note detect your content interest. Current situation problem is today on phone contains office mails, bank notifications, personal chat, shopping history. Many users prefer less interest data share and more privacy control. What you should do? You will see option like maps, Gmail, keep notes, contacts, external media. Turn those toggle off one by one. I am turning all of them off here. After turning them off, benefits are app will continue to work normally. Cross app personalized is reduced. Your privacy control increased. You will find reset advertising ID. This is a random identifier used by ad system to show personalized ads. Current problem is over time this ad ID became liked with your browsing behavior, shopping interest, app use patterns. What you should do? Tap reset advertising ID, then tap confirm. I am resetting it now. After that, benefits are old ad history is cleared. A fresh advertising profile is created. Previous tracking reference is reset. Now let's move to ad topics. This feature use your recent app activity to create interested categories. For example, technology, travel, shopping, etc. Current issue is many users do not want their phone to automatically create interested labels. What you should do? Turn allow ad topics off. I am switching it off now. After that, benefits is interested based profiling is reduced. You will see more generic ads. Behavior targeting decreases. Next setting is app suggested ads. This feature connected ad behavior from one apps to another apps. For example, shopping app activity. When you scroll the social media, many type of social media, you see social media ads. What you should do? Turn allow app suggested ads off. After that, benefits are cross app ad tracking is reduced, app level independence increased. Now the last option is as measurement. This feature help advertisers understand ad preference. Current situation is all allows analytics data collection. Some users prefer minimal data sharing. What you should do? Turn allow ad measurement off. After that, Benefits is less analytics sharing, more privacy control. Let me make one thing clear. Those are not virus. Those are not illegal systems. Those are official Android ad personalization features. Today, we are simply learning how to control them based on your personal preference. Let's quickly summarize that we did today. We turned off app data sharing personalization, reset advertising ID, interested based ad topics, cross app ad suggestions, ad measurement tracking. The result is less tracking, more privacy, same phone performance. Important to remember that after turning those off, your phone will not become slow. Internet will not stop working. App will not crash. Only personalized ads will be reduced. This video is made for educational purpose only. All settings shown are official Android privacy control features. We do not claim that Android or Google perform illegal activities. Users should change settings according to their personal preference. Important safety tips. Do not blindly turn off every setting you see. Only change, add and privacy related setting that you understand. Some system features are important for app functionality and security updates. Always use the official Android setting menu. Avoid third-party privacy booster or tracking remover app. Many of those apps request unnecessary permission and may reduce security. Your privacy settings are useful only if your Google account is secure. Always enable two-step verification and use a strong password. Check app permission regularly. Update your phone regularly. Always keep your Android system update. Security updated fix privacy and outdated software is one of the biggest risks. Do not install app from unknown website or unofficial stores. Use only Google Play Store and verified developers. Avoid logging into banking or personal accounts on public Wi-Fi networks. Public networks can expose your data. Turning off ad personalization does not make you invisible online. It simply reduces targeted advertising and data sharing for ads. If you like this video, please like, comment and share it.